As we work toward our goal of creating gold standard CTE programming in Fargo Public Schools, one of the tools that we can utilize is our PLC meetings. Now, we have teams and departments that are in various stages of the PLC process, and with over 20 different groups meeting on a weekly basis, it can be challenging to track and maintain your progress. Today, I'm going to share with you a couple of tools that are available in the Google Drive that can help guide your conversations. So you can access this through shared drives. There's a PLC folder. And the first document that I'm going to draw your attention to is this PLC cycle action steps. In the center, we have the 4 questions of the PLC process, which many of us are very familiar with. In addition to the questions, though, there are some action steps that can be taken along with each of those questions. So oftentimes we get kind of stuck in question number 1, what is it we want students to know and be able to do? We talk planning and sharing resources. But once we're ready to move beyond that, what are the action steps for question 2, 3, and 4? And this lays it all out for you. On the second page, we have some deeper questions that can help your group self-assess where are we at in meeting our goals for PLC. The second document that I want to share with you is a CTE PLC agenda and meeting notes document. This is optional, but could be a helpful tool for groups that meet infrequently or just need help keeping track of where they're at in the PLC process and what they're working on. On the left-hand side, you can document the meeting date, which course you're working on, who are the team members that are taking on various roles. On the right-hand side, there is a checklist of the PLC questions, and you can just simply check the box of where you're working at today, which question are you working on. Down below, there is a space for your meeting notes, along with a timeline. And I think this is really helpful when you have such a short amount of time to collaborate with your PLC teams. This can help you stay on track. So some focus time at the beginning. What are we trying to accomplish? 20 minutes for getting into the work, and then a quick 5-minute review at the end and making a plan for what you're going to accomplish during your next meeting. If you want to create folders within this PLC drive to share your notes with each other, or if you want to store them somewhere else for your team to be able to access, that is totally up to you. If you have any questions or need help with working through this process, please feel free to reach out and we would be happy to help.